All right, so here we have four different kinds of variable. You have the u, the h, the c, and then the k. Our objective is to solve for h, so meaning we need to isolate h. So how are we going to isolate h? Meaning we need to remove this u, we need to remove 2/3, we need to remove c square on the left side, okay? But before we do that, we have a fraction, right? And we want this to be a little bit simpler. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Eliminate the denominator. How are we going to eliminate the denominator? The denominator is 3. So I will apply the multiplication property of equality, just like what we did in the equations that we had earlier with fractions. I will multiply each of the three terms here by 3. So this is going to be 3 times 2/3 u h, okay, plus 3, all right, times c square equals 3 times k. So what's going to happen here is I just cancel this out, and then it will only give me 2u h plus 3c square equals 3k, right? So now I just need to remove 2u and 3c square, right? But I'm going to remove this first, okay? So plus negative 3c square, inverse of that, plus negative 3c square. This will automatically be canceled out. So 2uh equals 3k minus, we can do that, plus minus is minus, minus 3c square. Okay. If you're not comfortable with that, it can be like this. 3 plus negative 3c square. That's the same. All right? So now the last step is to remove the 2 and the u. All right? So between 2u and h, that's multiplication. So how are you going to undo multiplication? Division. Correct. So meaning I'm just going to divide this by 2u. And I will also divide the right sides by 2u. So cancel that. So now the final answer is h equals 3k plus minus, that's just multiplication. So a positive times a negative is negative 3c square all over 2u.